You are going to love the 2023 Sonata. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist, rear window defroster, Bluetooth. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Hyundai certified vehicles will provide you the confidence you desire in your next vehicle. All certified Hyundais come with a limited powertrain warranty, a comprehensive inspection, roadside assistance, and much more. Contact your Hyundai dealer today to learn more about the Hyundai Certified program.